Hey, I'm Janelle. This is toDIYfor. So I had hoped to have my bedroom makeover ready for you today. It is not done. I have a full-time job and this has been a way bigger job than I realized it would be. I 100% underestimated the bedroom makeover. So what I have for you today instead is a bunch of decor items that I have been thrifting and DIYing to implement into said makeover. Now, if you are new to my channel, just want to say welcome. So happy you found me. I do new DIYs every single Wednesday. And if you want to share my ideas on Instagram, on Twitter, like please share away. I love inspiring people with my DIYs and I hope that's what I'm doing with you at home. If you're looking for some other makeover spaces, which I have been working on a lot in 2020, I will leave those linked down below for you for more inspiration. But this week I'm doing some thrifted kind of Boho inspired decor items. And that is specifically because I had some people reach out to me and say, hey, I want to see some Boho decor. And I said, okay. It's not 100% my style. I'd say I'm a cross between mid-century modern and Boho style personally in my own home. So I thought I would try and incorporate that into the bedroom makeover, and I've had a lot of fun doing it, and I'm just gonna show you what I've made so far. I promise you next Wednesday, the makeover will be complete.
So first I'm going to start off with a pillow. This is some fabric I picked up at the thrift store. It's a deep dark green and it was $3. So I'm not going to show you how I make a pillow. It's quite simple. I've done it plenty of times in the past. You can check out other videos. You cut your fabric, you sew 3 sides together, you stuff it, and then you have to hand stitch it together in that hole that you weren't able to sew shut. So once I made that pillow, I took these pieces of trimming, and trimming is so expensive at the fabric store. I know that's a big pile, it's a big mess of trimming, but I actually picked up those 2 bags at Dollar Tree. They were $1.25 each. There is so many pieces of trim in there. Yes, not a lot of them match, but they were each a decent length that I'm able to create these designs on my pillow on either end. And I absolutely love how it turned out. I just simply hot glued them into place and just did it on the front. And I think it adds a real boho vibe to that pillow. I also did the trimming on this vase. So it was about $2 from the thrift store because it was broken. As you can see, it's cracked and chipped. I'm covering up the chip with this, again, more trimming here, and I'm hot gluing it all into place. And basically, this is going to be the back where the crack is. I'm not going to put that on display. I'll put it up against the wall. Now this mirror was a great find, only $25. Again, a thrifted find. It's a little chipped, but I'm going to give it a fresh coat of paint. So I taped it off, and I made sure to tape off the gold portion of this because I really wanted that to show through. It's an accent color of mine, and I painted the rest of it black with just some simple spray paint. And I think this mirror looks brand new now. As you know, gold is my color, so I have this lamp that I picked up from the thrift store with this lovely bird on it. It's an easy fix though, and I got an ugly lampshade from there as well. So that total cost me $11. I'm just gonna simply clip that off with my wire cutters. Good as new. You clean it up, and this lamp looks absolutely beautiful. I can't believe it was only $8. So for the lampshade, I'm going to tear off this ugly material that's on here and just hot glue that wire back into place if it falls apart on you like mine did. But I'm taking these bamboo mats that I got, again, from the thrift store. I think it was about $4 for 5 or 6 of them. And I'm going to hot glue them around the lampshade, and they will be the new lampshade. So just try and make it go on as straight as possible. I ended up using 2.5 bamboo mats here, and I think it looks incredible. So for me, this is what I think of when I think of boho. It's mixed materials all together. That lamp is a perfect example with the wood, glass, and metal, the vase with the now trimmings, the pieces of fabric on it, and of course the pillow with like the pom-poms and different kinds of materials. I absolutely love these. Cannot wait to put the room together next week.
So those are some of the DIYs I will be incorporating into next week's makeover. There are a few other DIYs that will be in that video as well, just to complete the room. I just thought I'd lighten the load and kind of do this in a two-part for myself personally, because it's just gotten a little bit hectic and busy in my life. If you enjoyed these DIYs, of course, feel free to like the video, share it with your friends. I'd love that. It really helps my channel to grow. And follow me on Instagram and on Twitter at Janelle Steeper. You can follow me there. You'll see like little updates here and there about weekly DIYs that I share, so you get the sneak peek. And if you want to tag me in anything, please do so I can check out your DIYs at home. Anyways, I have lots to do. I have more of the makeover to work on, and I promise you the bedroom makeover will be out next Wednesday. Cheers, and I'll talk to you next week.